So here we're dealing with a one-sided limit. So as we're approaching our x values and our x value at 5, we can see that the y value here is approaching, looks like it's approaching 1. Okay, so let's get closer and closer to 5. The y value is getting closer and closer to 1. And as I get right onto that point, okay, oh, it jumps. Okay, so here it goes from 1, and then all of a sudden it jumps. Okay, so this is not a limit. This limit doesn't exist as a two-side limit. However, if we just stick with it from one side, so again from two sides, look what happens. It's going to getting closer and closer to 4, and then boom, it jumps. Okay, from this side it's getting closer and closer to 1, and then I'm almost at 1, and then all of a sudden it jumps to 4. Okay, so as a two-sided limit, this limit doesn't exist because it's not the same from both sides. However, as a one-sided limit, we can say that as it approaches the value of x equals 5, the y value is getting closer and closer and closer to, looks like 4. Then all of a sudden, it gets away from 4. Okay, so but if I approach it only from one side, it looks like it's approaching 4. If I go from the other side, as I approach 5 from the other side, it looks like it's getting closer and closer to 1. Okay, and so the limit is, from the right-hand side is 1. Okay, but it can't go from the left and right. Only from the right-hand side it's equal to 1. From the left-hand side, that limit value, if you take a look there, the limit value is approaching 4, but I can only go to it from one side. Okay, so the one-sided limit, as x approaches from the left side, the limit's going to be 4. Now again, the limit doesn't really care what's actually happening. The actual value is 2. Okay, so when x is equal to 5, the y value is equal to 2. So if I put in 5 here, the y value is actually 2. Okay, so it actually gives me a value of 2. However, the limit from the left-hand side is going to be 4, and the limit from the right-hand side is going to be 1.